Hi, hello, namaste, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're fine. Today I came with a new trick and a new video. Today I wanted to discuss with you trigonometry introduction with my neat and cute explanation, logic with my explanation, with my magic explanation from trigonometry introduction. Now, my name is Krishna Reddy, founder of Aparnika Reddy Institute of Mathematics and Sciences, aims Dare to Success, made in India. So, trigonometry. Now, I wanted to divide it into four quadrants. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Here it is starts from, like x-axis starts from 0, and next it is 90. Why? Because angle between two lines, here perpendicular angle between two lines is 90 degrees. So again 90 plus 90, it is 180. 180 plus 90 is 270. 270 plus 90, it is equals to 360. So according to this, in first quadrant it is lies between 0 to 90, and 90 minus theta, and more than 360, so 360 plus theta. Second quadrant lies between 90 to 180, and 90 plus theta, 180 minus theta. Next, third quadrant, it lies between 180 to 270, 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta. Fourth quadrant, it lies between 270 to 360, 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta we are having. Now I wanted to tell you from trigonometry, it is helpful intermediate 10th class, IIT JEE, all competitive exams like in India level, as well as board exams also. So all silver tea cups. All means we are having 6 angles: sin, cos, tan. For these three values, reciprocal values, I wanted to write down cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. All these 6 angles are positive here. Next, starting with the S letter, is sin theta and cosecant theta are positive in second quadrant. Next, third quadrant, starting letter with the T, is tan theta and cot theta are positive in third quadrant. Next, starting with the C letter, from first three values, cos theta and reciprocal of cos theta is secant theta are positive in fourth quadrant. Next, I wanted to divide here two positions to get all values. I wanted to divide here two different positions, like sleeping position and standing position. Before going to that, I wanted to tell you 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Next here I wanted to take sine, next cos, afterwards I can write later. Sine 0 value, to get sine 0, starting number is 0, next number is 1, I am writing near 90. Sine 0 0, sine 90 is 1. Average between these two values is 0 plus 1 by 2. I am writing 1 by 2 here. Same part I want to write one more time, 1 by root 2. Here 1 by 2, but in denominator I want to write root. So sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Same this 1 by 2 I want to write here, but in the replace of 1 I want to convert this root 3. So I wanted to tell you one more time, starting number 0, next number 1 I wanted to write it is near 90. Average between these two values, 0 plus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Same part you can write 1 by 2, but denominator you can write root, so 1 by root 2. Same 1 by 2 you can write here, but 1 can be converted to root 3 by 2. So sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, sine 90 is 1. Same values from right to left, copy paste in cos. So 1, next value root 3 by 2, next value 1 by root 2, next value 1 by 2, next value 0. And one more thing, to get tan value, sine by cos, that is 0 by 1, 0, 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, 2 cancelled, 1 by root 3. Next 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 is ek niranjan 1. Next root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2, 2 cancelled, root 3 by 1 is root 3. Next 1 by 0 is infinitive or undefined. Next to get cosecant value. Cosecant means reciprocal of sine. Reciprocal means sine value you can write 1 by, that is 1 by 0, undefined. 1 by 1 by 2 is 2. 1 by 1 by root 2 is root 2. 1 by root 3 by 2. Same as it is for this value, reverse you can write, and here copy paste 2 by root 3. Next 1 by 1 is 1. Next value secant. Here secant is reciprocal of cos. And next cos values write reverse. Reverse means 1 by. So 1 by 1 is 1. 1 by root 3 by 2 you can write reverse, that is 2 by root 3. 1 by 1 by root 2 is root 2. Next 1 by 1 by 2 is 2. 1 by 0 is undefined. My dear students, one more logic I wanted to express you. From right to left you can write here, you will get secant. Cosecant values from left to right you can write here, otherwise 1 by cos. Okay, now at the last value I want to tell you cot. Cot is cos by sin or 1 by 10. First I wanted to tell you by using sin and cos. That is cos by sin reverse 1 by 0 is undefined. Next root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. 2 cancelled. Root 3 by 1 is root 3. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 cancelled 1. Next 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2 cancelled 1 by root 3. Next 0 by 1 is 0. Once you will verify tan values right to left, you can write here, you will get same value cos by sin values and the reverse of tan you can verify. So from right to left, infinitive root 3 1 by root 3 0. So by using sin and cos values you will get remaining 4 values easily. This is my procedure to get 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 values. Now I wanted to tell you sleeping position, standing position to get values. So first of all, sleeping position means, what is sleeping position? I wanted to go to first here quadrants. Sleeping position means like this: 180 nearly values, 360 nearly values. Either 180 minus theta or 180 plus theta you can take sleeping position, and 360 minus theta, 360 plus theta values you can assume sleeping position. So according to this concept I wanted to assume sleeping position. Okay, in sleeping position I wanted to write first of all 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 360 minus theta, 360 plus theta are related to sleeping position. Now I wanted to take 180 minus theta. So here 180 minus theta means I wanted to take first of all no changes. No changes means sin aitho sin, cos aitho cos, like that. After that plus or minus, which depends upon their quadrants. Which depending upon their quadrant, first quadrant all are positive, second quadrant sin and cos are positive, third quadrant tan and cot are positive, and at the last fourth quadrant cos and secant are positive. So that's why I have written here plus or minus, which depends upon their quadrants. So first of all I wanted to tell you 180 minus theta related values. So by using this you have to find sin 180 minus theta value क्या है, cos 180 minus theta value क्या है, और tan 180 minus theta value क्या है. आपके बाद ये values आने के बाद reciprocal values. First you can find these values. So related to 180 minus theta, sleeping position. So sleeping position means no changes. No changes means sin is sin. After that plus or minus, which depends upon their quadrant. What is that meaning? 180 minus theta. 1 second, I will go to quadrant. 180 minus theta means second quadrant, sin cosecant positive. So first of all, sin theta positive. Okay, no need to write another symbol. So cos 180 minus theta is, first of all, sin is a sin only, but cos theta is negative symbol in second quadrant. So 180 minus theta is related to second quadrant. So cos is negative. Next, tan 180 minus theta. First of all, no changes. You can write as it is, sin, I thought sin, cos, I thought cos, tan, I thought tan. Okay, here it is tan theta. And you can verify plus or minus. What is the positive value in second quadrant? Sin positive. So what is a tan? It is negative symbol. All silver teacups na in second quadrant, sin and cosecant are positive. And I want to explain you remaining reciprocal values. Reciprocal means cosecant 180 minus theta, secant 180 minus theta, cot 180 minus theta. So in second quadrant, first of all, no changes related to sleeping position. There is no changes. That is cosecant means you can write cosecant. Next, you have to verify in second quadrant cosecant is positive. So next, secant 180 minus theta, first of all, no changes. That is you can write as it is secant theta. And from second quadrant, secant is negative symbol. Next, cot 180 minus theta. Cot theta as it is. Why? Because no changes. In my logic with my magic explanation, cot 180 minus theta is cot theta, and in second quadrant cot is negative. So generally any material or any other institution's explanation, sin 180 minus theta, sin theta, cos 180 minus theta, minus cos theta, like that direct they wanted to explain you. But in sleeping position on the bed, we are not changing our position. So like that I wanted to divide it as a sleeping position. Like a teacher will come, they will stand on the stage, like that that is standing position. In standing position they can change their position. So like that, that is changes are there. In sleeping position no changes are here. So that's why I wanted to use sleeping position. Sleeping position 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, 360 minus theta, 360 plus theta. Plus minus, which depends upon their quadrant, will as it is. So now 180 minus theta completed successfully. Now I wanted to tell you 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta. Aims dare to success మీ చింత ఉండగా trigonometry అంటే భయం ఎందుకు దండగా. Today I wanted to explain you trigonometry introduction. My dear students, you can follow this method, you will understand trigonometry very easily. 180 plus theta, you can assume here no changes. Sleeping position no changes. Plus or minus, which depends upon their quadrant. Next, 180 plus theta. 1 second, we will go to starting. 180 plus theta, it is in third quadrant. So third quadrant tan positive. Now here I wanted to write a third quadrant. In third quadrant tan and cot positive values. Now we wanted to take a sin 180 plus theta, cos 180 plus theta, tan 180 plus theta values. So sin 180 plus theta, first of all no changes, you can write as it is sin theta and verify. In third quadrant tan theta positive, so here we are having sin A, so sin is negative symbol. Next cos 180 plus theta, so no changes na, you can write cos theta. Here it is negative symbol na, cos in third quadrant, so you can write negative symbol. Next tan 180 plus theta na, so no changes na, you can write tan theta and verify. It is positive in third quadrant, so no need to write negative symbol. And next one I wanted to take reciprocal of these three values. I mean cosecant 180 plus theta is equals to, next secant 180 plus theta, next cot 180 plus theta. Here cosecant 180 plus theta, no changes are here, so you can write cosecant theta only. In third quadrant tan cot positive, cosecant is negative, you can write cosecant negative. Next secant no changes, so you can write secant theta, and in third quadrant secant is negative. Next cot 180 plus theta, here no changes, so cot theta you can write as it is. Next plus or minus, in third quadrant cot is plus, so it's a very easy explanation. 180 plus theta related values. Next in sleeping position another value 360 minus theta. Now I wanted to take 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta, it is in sleeping position. Our logic is no changes, and plus minus which depends upon their quadrant. So 360 minus, one second we will go and verify. 360 minus theta, it is in fourth quadrant, so I wanted to write here fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant cos theta secant theta are positive. What next? I wanted to write sin 360 minus theta, cos 360 minus theta, tan 360 minus theta. First we can find these three values, after that reciprocal of these three values. Sin 360 minus theta, first our logic is no changes. Sin hai to sin likhna, cos hai to cos likhna, tan hai to tan likhna. You can write sin is sin, cos is cos, tan is tan. After that you can verify plus minus which depends upon their quadrant. I mean in fourth quadrant who is positive, cos theta is positive. Next sin is negative, tan is also negative. Next we wanted to write reciprocal of these three values. Sin reciprocal is cosecant 360 minus theta. Next cos reciprocal is secant 360 minus theta. Tan reciprocal is cot 360 minus theta. First of all no changes, you can write as it is. Cosecant means cosecant, secant means secant, cot means cot, and you can verify positive. Who is positive? By using these three values, secant is positive, so cosecant is negative, cot is negative. Itna very easy explanation. Now I wanted to go remaining value in sleeping position, that is 360 plus theta. Now I wanted to write aims to success. మీ చెంత ఉండగా ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ అంటే భయం ఎందుకు దండగా. Now I wanted to write 360 plus theta. Here no changes, my dear students. Plus or minus, which depends upon their quadrant. 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta. It is in first quadrant, all are positive. Now I wanted to write that it is in fourth quadrant, first quadrant. Here all are positive. We can remember this concept. So 360 plus theta. Now I wanted to write sine 360 plus theta, cos 360 plus theta, tan 360 plus theta. Later I wanted to write for these three reciprocal values. Here all are positive and we can remember no changes. No changes means sin 360 plus theta is sine only sin theta. Cos is cos. Tan is tan. Sin 360 plus theta sin theta, cos 360 plus theta cos theta, tan 360 plus theta tan theta. After that plus or minus, which depends upon their quadrant. In first quadrant all are positive, so no need to write negative symbol. Next for these three values I wanted to write reciprocal values. Cos cosecant 360 plus theta. Next cos reciprocal is secant 360 plus theta. Tan reciprocal value is cot 360 plus theta. So here no changes. Cosecant means you can write cosecant theta. Secant means you can write secant theta. Cot 360 plus theta is cot theta, and you can verify which depends plus or minus, which depends upon their quadrant. In first quadrant all are positive, so no need to write negative symbol. Aims dare to success. इतना very easy explanation especially made for you बच्चों. Follow, और if you satisfy with my explanation, subscribe our channel Aims Dare to Success in YouTube. Aims Dare to Success Telegram channel be high. Okay, you can save my number 9440345996. It is my number. You can save my number and ask me. I will send you my study material. 100% sure success. I will send you my PDF to you with free of cost. I am not expecting single rupee from you. I will send you with free of cost, my dear students. You can save my number in your all groups. Now our website Aims Dare to Success blogspot.com. Our Gmail is aimsdaretosuccess@gmail.com, and our YouTube channel is Aims Dare to Success. Telegram channel be high Aims Dare to Success, so you can follow. Our Facebook page be high, Facebook be high Aims Dare to Success, so you can follow from there also. So Aims Dare to Success మీ చింత ఉండగా, ట్రిగనోమెట్రీ అంటే భయం ఎందుకు దండగా, మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ అంటే భయం ఎందుకు దండగా. So now sleeping position completed, my dear students. Now I wanted to explain you standing position. Standing position related values I wanted to tell you, my dear students. See here 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta. They are related to standing position values. Now I wanted to write those values here, my dear students. First of all, 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta. 270 minus theta, 270 plus theta. They are related to standing position. Here first I wanted to explain you 90 minus theta. Here 90 minus theta means first of all changes are there. In sleeping position no changes, here changes are there. What are the changes? I will tell you. Sin theta will change to cos theta. Cos theta will change to sin theta. And next cosecant theta is changing into secant theta. Secant theta is changing into cosecant theta. And last one, tan theta is changed to cot theta. Cot theta is changed to tan theta. It is our logic. With my magic changes are there. And what next? Plus or minus, which depends upon their quadrant. So it is very common statement. Now 90 minus theta means first quadrant. So here I wanted to write first quadrant. In first quadrant we are having all are positive, so there is no negative symbol. Now I wanted to write 90 minus theta related values. Sin 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta. So here already I told you, my dear students, sin is changed to cos. So here you can write. Next, cos is changing to sin. Okay, you can write here sin. Next, tan is changing into cot. Very nice. You can write here cot. After that you can verify. In first quadrant all are positive, no need to write a negative symbol. Next, reciprocal of these three values are cosecant 90 minus theta, secant 90 minus theta, cot 90 minus theta. Sin reciprocal cosecant, cos reciprocal secant, tan reciprocal cot. So here cosecant is changing into secant theta, secant theta is changing into cosecant theta, cot is changing into tan theta, and in first quadrant all are positive, no need to write a negative symbol. इतना वेरी इजी एक्सप्लेनेशन बच्चों आपके लिए ये वीडियो प्रिपेयर करा. I am with you always. You can follow aim straight to success. Now after completing 90 minus theta, we wanted to explain you 90 plus theta. So I wanted to write here, my dear students, 90 plus theta related values. It is also related to standing position. Standing position means changes are there like previous. So changes are there, and plus or minus, which depends upon their quadrant. And 90 plus theta means, 1 second, you can see here, 90 plus theta means second quadrant. In second quadrant sin and cosecant positive. So I wanted to tell you that one. It is in second quadrant. In second quadrant sin theta, reciprocal of sin is cosecant theta, are positive. What next? Changes